The use of these pots today, some people will use the, not necessarily highly decorated, but the very plain to still do some pickling in. They'll pickle their summer harvest in these crocks, and they still can be used. One thing that we always look out for, and here you see a nice clean interior when you pickle and use those harsh solvents inside here. When you're using to pickle, they cause the brine actually causes a white film that sometimes stays on the inside of these crocks, so it doesn't help the value. So I would recommend, if you wanted to use these for storage, use a crock that doesn't have expensive value to it, such as one like this, without any decoration on it, very simple. That would be what I would recommend if you wanted to use one of these for storage today. The other types of way to use this, lots of people just put flowers or store anything from umbrellas to, they use them for storage vessels, but not necessarily liquid or food. You can put just about anything in them. I have some small crocks like this in the 1 gallon and the 2 gallon that I store just my on my counters in my kitchen, and I put my utensils in them. You can put your wooden spoons and that kind of thing. They make great displays, and they're great holders for that type of thing. And I've seen collectors who collecting country, and they'll use these crocks, these open crocks, and they'll put things like wooden rolling pins in them and stack them in here. They make a great display that way. So there's a variety of different ways you can use these just today on your kitchen counters, just to decorate with on your floors, or to put any kind of, I would say, dry goods, unless you want to use some of the less expensive crocks for pickling or food storage.